Mom, I'm sick. Take me to the doctor's now. I'll meet you in the car. Hello, I'm here to see Dr. Boris.
Are you Kyle Gregg?
Yes, I'm Kyle.
Okay, he'll be with you shortly. Just have a seat over there. Kyle? Kyle Gregg?
Yep.
Dr. Boris is ready. Come this way.
Hi, I'm Kyle.
Hi, Kyle. Come through. Come and have a seat, Kyle. So I hear you've had a bad runny nose and cough. How long has this cough lasted?
Yeah, it's lasted like 3 or 4 days.
How long does a coughing spell generally last at one time?
I usually have bad coughing for about 3 minutes.
Does anything trigger when you cough?
I have asthma and hay fever, but my cough has never been this bad.
Does your cough ever cause gagging or vomiting?
Not often, but I gag occasionally.
Has the cough ever resulted in a red or blue face?
I'm not sure.
Have you ever been exposed to anyone with whooping cough?
Not that I'm aware of.
Can you please tell me more about what you're feeling?
Yeah, so I've been less hungry a lot of the time, and I've had a runny nose and a bad cough, especially at night. I've also been a lot more tired and sneezing more often.
Alright, well I'm just going to do some preliminary tests on you and just test stuff like your blood pressure and temperature.
Okay.
Alright, just put your arm through this. You should feel a bit of pressure, but it shouldn't hurt. Alright, well now I'd like to take your temperature.
Okay.
Oh, 39 degrees. Because of your results and symptoms, I think you might have whooping cough. So I'm going to send you to a nose and throat culture tests, some blood tests, and a chest x-ray. You might feel a little pinch. Ow! Say,
Ah.
So I have your x-rays here, and as you can see there's a lot of inflammation in the lungs, and it's looking a lot like whooping cough.
Oh, really? What can I do to treat that?
So, Kyle, whooping cough is a respiratory illness and is a very contagious disease, which is caused by a type of bacteria called Bordetella pertussis. These bacteria attach to the cilia in the upper respiratory system. So, some home remedies for whooping cough are to get plenty of rest and drink a lot of fluids. You want to eat smaller, more frequent meals, more than large ones, and you want to stay away from smoking or fumes as they can trigger your cough. You also want to cover your mouth when you're coughing, and you want to wash your hands frequently as well to prevent transmission.
Okay. Is there anything I can take to speed up the process of healing?
So I can refer you to some clarithromycin, which is an antibiotic, and after the antibiotics, 5 days after you start taking them, you will no longer be infectious. Cough medicines do not work on whooping cough,
Okay.
so don't take any cough medicines, they're useless. And you won't need to go to the hospital. I'll just write your referral now. Also, just finally, some complications of whooping cough include dehydration, pneumonia, a middle ear infection, and apnea. So if you experience any of these, just come back to the doctor as soon as possible.
Okay, sure.
Alright, here's your referral.
Thank you.
See you in a few weeks.
Thank you. It's good. Goodbye, Dr. Boris.
Farewell, Kyle.